So how many rounds you said? 150. 150?
Yeah.
Holy, so it's 75 each, right?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. It's nice. So you are from the company is
Superior Arms.
Superior Arm? Okay.
Yeah, the drum is
okay.
It's got a steel tower.
Okay.
So it's very robust. It's been tested, frozen, put in the mud,
okay.
Dust test, everything. It's really designed well, engineered well. No lubrication required.
Okay.
Don't have to spin it or anything. Unique thing is it fits an M16
okay.
AR15 ergonomic.
Yep.
None of your bullets are exposed. And if it breaks, if this gun breaks, I take it out and I put it on another one.
That's great. Yeah.
It's just meant for.
Yeah.
Really well thought, well engineered.
Yes. Yeah. Nice. Yeah. Yes. Shoot the bad guy. With the baby.
Are you from Canada?
Yeah, from Canada. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.